What is going on, everyone? Welcome again to Brailsford's Rides for another Coleman Lantern 17B video. In today's video, we have a new product from EUHOMY. If you guys remember in one of our earlier episodes, I'll link right up here. We were given this EUHOMY car refrigerator, and as you can see, we've used this thing quite a bit. This is like about year 2 of having it, I believe, and it's still going strong. I've had this thing plugged in all day, every day, and we actually use this as a fridge all the time, but we use it for camping so we don't ever have to buy ice again, and it keeps these drinks ice cold, man. We have it set to 37, and this thing just holds them right there. I think it goes down to -4. But today we have a completely separate product from EUHOMY that we want to show you guys, and we're going to go right inside and show you right now. Alright guys, so we're actually in between camping trips. We just camped at Onslow Beach. We had a great time. You guys have fun at Onslow Beach? Yeah. So my camper's a little messy. We still got the cover. We got all sorts of stuff in here that we are... That is a fishing rod. But I definitely want to show you guys our new product from EUHOMY. This is the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. And honestly, when they sent us this thing, it was probably one of the best packaged products I've ever seen. I should have done an actual full unboxing because they really had it encapsulated in there extremely safely. There was no way this thing was going to show up with any damage. But I want to show this to you. So when it comes, it's very simple to use. As you can see, we've already had it making a bunch of ice. This is the Nugget Ice right here. And if you get up close, you can kind of see they're like little pyramid type things. All right, so the way this works, right, is you see this tray. You can see this tray right here that actually holds the ice. Down below is where you actually fill the water, and you can see the max line right there, which will keep it out of your actual ice tray, which will prevent the ice from freezing into it. So as the ice that's in the tray melts, it'll actually fall below and recycle itself and spit out some more ice right into the tray, which is pretty nice. So like I said, guys, you fill the water down below, you fill to that max line, and the first thing you're going to want to do when you get this thing is you're really going to want to clean it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold down this ice/clean button. You're going to hold it down. I think it's like 3 seconds. The light will start flashing white, and what you should start hearing is the water to recycle itself, and it'll cycle itself through here, and it'll just run itself through the machine, cleaning out the inside of it. And then when you're done with that, you're going to set this thing over the edge of a sink, and there's a little drain plug down there which you're going to get underneath, and you'll pull that out, let it drain out, and then after that you rinse it real good, add some fresh water, and once you get going, it really does not take long for the ice to start producing itself. I want to say this tray took maybe, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, maybe. It wasn't that long until you're enjoying this ice. But honestly, now one thing to notice is there's a handle right here. It's portable, it's easy to take with you, it's very robust. I mean, it looks like it's very well built. You know, it doesn't feel cheap to me at all. It feels like a quality product, and it is mostly plastic, but it's like, well, none of the panels feel loose. They all feel like they're very soundly attached. The handle feels solid. The one thing I do notice, which you don't really notice in your camper, especially if you have a Coleman Lantern and have to listen to that thing all the time, is that in the house, we use this in the house to make our drinks, and the fan here, the little compressor or whatever that uses to make the ice, it is a little bit loud. It's quiet compared to that. So in the camper we don't even notice it, but in the house you guys might hear it in your kitchen running. So as you can see, the ice maker is going to tell you you're going to need to add water. Just like we talked about, there's a fill line. And I already know from experience that 1 bottle of water is not going to take you to that fill line. So we're going to go ahead and just pour that in there. And as it detects it filling up, the add water button should go away. So we cycled that button. You can hear it now. Compressor kick on.
I like that.
After we added that water, let's see how long it takes for an ice cube to come out. You can see inside the ice maker the little oscillating wheel that's pushing the cubes out one by one. And this was, guys, roughly about
4 minutes after I poured the water in that we're starting to see these things come out. And I have this thing sitting in my camper right now. It's just about 75 degrees because we just turned the AC on. So, but you can see they're coming out at a pretty decent rate. It fills up this little tray in probably about 15 minutes.
Yeah, we love this ice. It's our favorite. If you guys are like me, my wife is a huge fan of 7 Brew, so she picked up a whole bunch of these Tyranny flavorings. We must have like 20 of these things in the house, but I'm just gonna give you guys a quick example. You know, we like to make our own little 7 Brew drinks here at the house. So what we do is, inside of our EUHOMY Car Fridge, we keep these LaCroix seltzer waters, and you know, you just add a little bit of flavoring. I don't use that much, and then pour this in here. But honestly, you really can't use regular cubes for these drinks. You really got to use the nugget ice. It really makes it. Oh, here he goes, spitting out some more. Oh, and Leighton wants some. And if you drop some down in the tray, it's not a big deal. It's just gonna melt and recycle itself. So it's pretty neat. As you use it, you just add a little bit of water, keep this thing going. We really are big fans of our EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. All the kids use it, the wife uses it, and it makes a really good drink. But if you guys are interested in your own EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker for your Coleman Lantern 17B or your RV or your house, whatever, I'll put the link in the description down below. Go check it out. You guys pick one up. We definitely love it. We don't even use our normal ice maker anymore, but for camping, it's perfect. But that's all I got for today's video. If you like this video, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Coleman Lantern 17B videos. Here they come.
I'm so excited.
You're not going to want to miss it. Stay blessed, stay safe. See you again on Brailsford Rides. Take care.